Alright guys, so last time we make an animation of like an idle animation. Okay, I love this like a slow vibe, but of course you can for consistency, you can make it like a 8 or something like that, just to make it like a faster, because if like a too slow, maybe not so expressive. Of course you can make it 10 for whole your project. Of course this is a sample rate, you can adjust that. Doesn't really matter that much at this stage, because you can always like fine tuning it. You can talk to the artist, say, hey, I want like you make this animation more detailed, something like that, or make it like a little bit choppy animation. Doesn't really matter. Okay, and also because I'm an artist myself, because I draw all of it. I also got another channel called Lone Digital Art with Benjamin, and yeah, I'm a beginner, so I'm learning this right now. I want to like build everything myself, so that's well, the reason why I got this like a vlog, DevLog sort of thing. Quite a new clip. I'm going to say player, like this is a player idle animation. This is a player running animation. Dot anim, yeah, doesn't really matter. And I also got all this running. I got like a 6 frame. Okay, and I'm going to click and drag, and of course the sample rate, let me just use 10 for now. Let's look at here. Yeah, pretty good. All right, so we got this like a running animation. That sounds pretty good. That looks pretty good. Yeah, like boom, 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 boom. Yeah, by the way, I draw all this myself, so yeah, please subscribe to my another channel called Lone Digital Art. It got a handle of Lone Digital Art. It also got like a website called Lone Digital Art as well. Yeah, so if you want to support me, or you want to know how I draw this like a frame by frame, and how I like improve my art, because I want to doing the project as well as improve myself in the process. So you're more than welcome to subscribe and give me a thumb up. Okay, just leave me comments. Just tell me that you care and you love this sort of content, or I will make it more. I promise. Okay, I have never like broke a promise before, so yeah, if I said I'm going to do that, I'm going to do that. Yeah, so yeah, I got this like a 2 animation already running, and let's write some code. Okay, and then of course it's just the basic stuff, changing from one animation to another animation. Okay, we got this entry, we got end state, we got a running animation, we got the idle animation, and then this is default idle animation. And yeah, of course we are going to use parameters to change it, because add that I'm going to use boolean. Okay, so idle boolean true or false, and then boolean and move true or false as well. Okay, once you got that, we can actually make the transition. Make transition, and you can just click, yeah, just connect that. And where's my exit state? Okay, I'm going to use the another mouse, because I need to move and drag. Yeah, it's here. Right, so yeah, the magic mouse sometimes is like useless. I try to like throw away, but it's too expensive for my blood. So yeah, too rich for my blood, and yeah, I'm cheap, so and I'm broke, so I have to keep this. Sorry about that. Yeah, so yeah, I got like a lot of condition for me to like switch and make the transition. Okay, pretty good. So first, let's deal with the like exit, because exit is like a instantly stop. Of course, you want your game is more like a soul-like, can't she start running right away, or stop right away. You want make your game like more realistic, more difficult. You can fine tune it. Okay, I just show you like the retro, sort of like classic sort of like press and move, no BS sort of game. Okay, I love that. I found that area. Okay, so yeah, condition list is empty. We can add that list, and we get idle, and say we want to exit it, so it's like false. We can exit it. We can click the setting here. Okay, so we can like fine tuning things. We got like transition duration, and I'm going to make it 0, because I want to like instantly exit it. It has exit time. It do not have exit time, so just stop worrying about all of this. So yeah, after you have done with the exits, I always start with the exit, because I sometimes forgot about switch off that has exit time and all that. So yeah, that's the reason why I do this first, just to sort of remind myself that hey, don't do that. Okay, so running animation to exit, really simple. Add that and condition from a move to false, and then we can exit. Okay, so double check that. Click idle. Condition idle false, idle animation and exit, and then a false, and then it will be exit. Yeah, that will be good. And then enter. Okay, we can add that idle. It's not idle, but rather it's a move animation. True, then running, and then here the default. Yeah, it's a default entry transition. To previous transition. Yeah, so basically this is a default. We go into the idle. Yeah, so far so good. All right, and we can dealing with the code now. First we have to import this as a public animator. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to say public and animator, and come on, animate gets and private set. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, so yeah, Copilot sometimes doing a brilliant job. And what I'm going to do is to get at the very start exit time and condition. Yeah, we'll deal with that later. Right now, it's just a Photoshop that I draw. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to add a player, and we wait and we start. We initialize the idle state. Yeah, that's good. But we'll also need to get the anim and get components. Yeah, because it's the children. So yeah, it's not just a simple get component, but rather it's the get components in children. Yeah, here. Okay, and I'm going to get that specific animator. Okay, and separate that. Yeah, pretty good. So I can get my children. That's because I move it on the, and we have to set that to true or false. And the best way of doing this is to go back to our player state, and right here we got this enter, and we got a debug. Yeah, and public place this player. Yeah, that's pretty good. So what I'm going to do is to, instead of just print out this. This, of course, I'm going to comment out so you guys can use my code and yeah. I'm going to actually get that specific player and set boolean and boolean. Yeah, true. So enter that, it become true. Switch it on. Okay, pretty good. So switch out the specific state on. Yeah, debug log. Yeah, exit. We just switch it off. We can, because we're using it, so we don't need the specific debug. Right. The player false. Yeah, that's as simple as that. Okay, so we made a a control mechanism that can switch it true or false. Okay, so just as same as we go here, we manually click it. Okay, so if you go here and then you click it, it will just yeah. Let me just run this. I think I can. Okay, okay, I'm debugging and I'm in the idle state. And I believe if you go to the game, you can actually see. Maybe go to the scene. Okay, come on, it's an idle state right now. And let's go to the animator. Okay, idle animation. Yeah, it was just okay, it's kind of just to do it once and loop. Okay, idle. Yeah, good. So if you click switch it on, it will just play the idle, and let's go to scene. Yeah, it's playing the idle, and if the idle click, and it will exit and move. Just go to the running animation, and we just go to the running animation, and in the game it should be something like this. Okay, so it's yeah, pretty good. Yeah, pretty good. So I got I got her running. So yeah, by the way, I made a mistake. I think it's more, a mistake of me typing, because at the code we make this I as well as M not capitalized, so I have to like go back to my code and go to the I think it's like a player state or something. Yeah, player state, and we are passing in the player's information, which we like move state as well as the idle state, and I changed that to like a more capitalized, and because you need to like pass in this information in order to control it. Okay, so once you click it and then you enter into the game, it will like automatically fall into the idle animation. Okay, as you can see, like she's like standing here chilling, and if I press any other key, because I write the code at the play idle state. Yeah, idle state. We got if input get down key WASD or any of the, like just change that to like a move state. Okay, so if we go back here, okay, okay, I'm going to press this. So say D, like going to the right, and she start running. Okay, that looks pretty good, because we can actually like change that to a running animation. I love it. Yeah, so I think that's all for this video, and see you next video. Don't forget, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumb up. Okay, thanks, bye. And leave in a comment if you have any suggestions of or what kind of gaming mechanisms you want me to try. And by the way, I'm also the artist. Okay, I got another channel called Learn Digital Art. So I like draw all these assets myself. So if you got like some brilliant idea that you want me to achieve, I can do that. Okay, I can do that. I'm going to load it, and then we can draw it, and I'm going to show it for you. Okay, thanks.